Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting project. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own anemometer at home. This is a fun and educational project that you can do with just a few simple materials. An anemometer is a nifty device that measures wind speed. It's a great tool for weather enthusiasts, science students, or anyone curious about the wind. Perfect for weather enthusiasts or anyone who wants to bring their science projects to the next level. Plus, it's a fantastic way to understand more about the environment around you. Let's get started. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a few plastic cups, some straws, a pencil with an eraser, a push pin, a ruler, and some tape. These are all items you can easily find around the house or at a local store. Lay out all your materials on a clean, flat surface. This will make it easier to see everything you need and keep your workspace organized. Pretty simple, right? Now let's move on to the assembly. Take 4 plastic cups and tape them to the ends of 2 straws. Make sure the cups are all facing the same direction. This step is crucial because the cups need to catch the wind properly for the anemometer to work correctly. Double check that all the cups are aligned in the same direction. This will ensure accurate wind speed measurements. Next, cross the 2 straws in the middle, forming an X shape. This will be the main structure of your anemometer. Use some more tape to secure the intersection. Make sure it's tight enough to hold, but not so tight that it restricts movement. It's starting to come together. Now grab your pencil and push the push pin through the center of the X and into the eraser. The pencil will act as the pivot for our anemometer, allowing it to spin freely in the wind. Carefully push the push pin through the straws and into the eraser. Make sure it's centered so the anemometer can rotate smoothly. Give it a little spin to make sure it rotates freely. If it doesn't, you might need to adjust the push pin or the tape. If it's too tight, loosen the tape a bit. You want the anemometer to spin with minimal resistance. Now, let's add a base. This will keep your anemometer upright and stable. Stick the pencil into a small ball of clay or a sturdy piece of foam. This will act as the base and keep your anemometer from falling over. This will keep your anemometer upright and stable. Make sure it's secure so it doesn't tip over in the wind. To test your anemometer, take it outside on a windy day. Find a spot where the wind is steady and not obstructed by buildings or trees. Watch as the cups spin around. The faster they spin, the stronger the wind. The faster they spin, the stronger the wind. You can even count the number of rotations in 1 minute to get an estimate of the wind speed. This is a great way to practice your observation and math skills. And there you have it, a simple homemade anemometer that you built with your own hands. Not only is this a fun project, but it's also a great way to learn about wind and weather patterns. You can use your anemometer to track changes in wind speed over time and see how it correlates with weather conditions. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome builds. We have plenty of exciting projects lined up for you. And if you try this at home, share your creations in the comments below. I'd love to see what you've made. Thanks for watching, and happy building. See you next time.